Hey guys, I'm Tiana Michelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys two of my favorite bun styles and how I do them. And I have had my hair in a bun for about a week, so I'm actually showing you guys these two styles before I wash my hair. But you'll need 2 ponytail holders, about 4 bobby pins, a hard bristle brush, a brush to smooth down your edges, any sort of gel like wet line or anything like that, and a spray bottle. I'm taking a small bit of water and spritzing it all around my hair. You don't need a lot because if you have really curly hair, if you use too much water, it's going to make your hair super frizzy and just curl up. Now I'm just going to take a brush and smooth that water in before going back with a little bit of gel and adding that onto my hair and smoothing it the rest of the way. Now that my hair is as smooth as I would like it to be, I've gathered my hair up and I'm taking my 2 ponytail holders and just wrapping it around twice. I use 2 ponytail holders and I only wrap them around twice so that my hair is secure, but it's not too tight because my edges will be crying, okay? Now I'm just splitting my hair into 2 sections. This bun doesn't have a particular name. It's just something I do where I'll take each side and twist it loosely, then I will wrap it around as you're about to see, and I'm not going to use any bobby pins until I'm done with the other side. Now I am twisting the second section of my hair, and once I'm done twisting, I'm going to sort of place it on top of the first twist that I've done, and then I will take a bobby pin and place that bobby pin where both twists meet so that it stays secure. Then I'll put about 1 to 2 more bobby pins at the bottom of the bun so it stays in place. Now this is usually the part where I will do some swoops and swiggles and lay my edges, but since I am doing 2 buns in this video, I'm going to save that for the end. That way I'm not putting too much tension on my edges. So the first bun is done. This is a small bun, you know, it's kind of like a top knot, but not really. It's a very good protective style, okay? So now we're going to move on to the next bun. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this down. Now the next bun that I'm about to do is my favorite. It's called a fan bun, and I've been doing it since forever. It's like so cute. It's the only bun that I wear like when I really want to you know, it's like that one where your hair looks so good even though it's well past due for a wash day. So everything from this point is still like the same process. I'm taking a little gel and smoothing my hair up with my brush, and then I'm gathering it all up at the top of my head. Then I'm taking my 2 ponytail holders. Now this is where it gets different. I'm going to take my ponytail holder and wrap it around 1 time, but after my hair is all through this ponytail holder and I wrapped it around once, I'm going to switch hands. Okay, go ahead girl, switch hands. Thank you. So I'm going to switch hands, and then I'm going to take the ponytail holder and pull my hair through. But instead of pulling the ponytail holder forward, which would thus bring my hair forward, I'm pulling the ponytail holder back so that my hair will go back into the appearance of a fan. You see that? Yeah, just like that. Now I'm zooming in here to show you guys how frizzy my hair is at the top. Like, it's really time for a wash day, but there's a way that you can fix that. I kind of like take my hair and peel it down like a banana and tuck that frizzy hair underneath the bottom of the bun on both sides. That way the less frizzy parts of my curls are showing and the style overall just looks a lot neater. And next I'm taking my edge brush and just gently smoothing my edges down and swooping them back into the bun. just like that, y'all, we are done. These are my 2 favorite bun styles to do, and I hope you guys give them a try as well. And if you do, tag me on Instagram at tiana.my so I can see how these styles worked out on you. And I'm going to end the video here. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and remember that your support helps me out so much more than you know as a smaller and newer channel. I'm going to leave that subscribe button up here for y'all, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye-bye.